What if you could cut the time it takes to research products, write descriptions, create content, or answer customer messages, all while keeping your work high quality and personal? In 2026, thousands of ordinary people are doing exactly that. They are using free AI tools as powerful assistants to move faster and earn more without burning out. If you want to make your online income efforts more efficient and less overwhelming, this video will show you exactly how to use the best free AI tools at every single step. In March of 2026, many people are working hard to build online income while juggling jobs, family, and daily responsibilities. With living costs still high, the ability to work smarter, not just harder, has become one of the most valuable advantages anyone can have. Before we speak of specific tools and steps, let us speak of the fire that truly matters. Inside each of us lives a quiet knowing. We were not meant to spend our lives only trading time for money that barely stretches. There is a deeper urge to create something of our own, to provide for our families with dignity, to wake up one day and realize we have built a stream of income that flows even when we rest. That urge is not loud. It does not shout promises of overnight riches. It simply asks us to begin and to keep beginning day after day in small, soul-aligned actions. Consistency is the hidden architecture of freedom. Not heroic all-nighters, not frantic hustle, just the steady, gentle discipline of showing up. Because the compound effect of small daily choices is what separates those who dream from those who eventually live the dream. When your actions are rooted in service, in honesty, and in patience, the income follows. Not as a miracle, but as the natural fruit of aligned effort. That is the inner fire we will tend together in every episode. Today we focus on how to use free AI tools to speed up every step of making money online in 2026. Here are the exact ways ordinary people are using free AI tools right now across the most popular methods. 1. Product and niche research. Instead of spending hours guessing what will sell, use ChatGPT or Claude to analyze trends. Ask questions like, what products are showing growing demand in 2026 but still have manageable competition? Combine this with free tools like Google Trends or TikTok search. This step that used to take days can now be done in under an hour. 2. Store and listing creation. For Shopify or Etsy, use ChatGPT to draft product titles, descriptions, and tags. Then rewrite them in your own warm voice. Use free Canva AI or Midjourney, free tier, for mock-up images and banners. What used to take 4 to 5 hours per product can now be done in 30 to 45 minutes. 3. Content and digital product creation. For Notion templates, workbooks, or digital courses, use ChatGPT to help outline the structure and generate initial content. Then add your personal experience and voice. For print-on-demand designs, use free versions of Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate ideas quickly, then refine them. This dramatically speeds up creation without losing your unique touch. 4. Marketing and customer communication. Use ChatGPT to help write email sequences, Pinterest pin descriptions, Reddit posts, or customer reply templates. It can also help create ad copy for small tests. Many people save hours every week by using AI as a smart assistant for repetitive writing tasks. 5. Analytics and weekly optimization. Ask ChatGPT to analyze your sales data or suggest improvements based on what you tell it. For example, here are my top 5 products and their sales numbers. What patterns do you see, and what should I focus on next? This turns weekly review time into a much more insightful and faster process. One generalized example: a working parent who used free AI tools to speed up research, listing creation, and marketing for both digital products and print on demand now runs a small but growing business, earning approximately $3,800 monthly, while only working evenings. The main pitfalls are over-relying on AI and publishing generic, soulless work, or using AI as a crutch instead of a helper. The fix is always using AI to save time, but adding your own human warmth, experience, and care to every final output. Daily and weekly consistency habits. Spend 30 to 50 minutes each weekday using AI to speed up one specific task, research, writing, design, etc. And dedicate one focused hour every Sunday, reviewing results and planning the next week. Treat AI as a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your consistent effort. Free AI tools in 2026 can dramatically speed up every step of making money online, but they work best when combined with your own consistency and personal touch. The path is not about perfection or speed. It is about beginning today, with whatever small step feels true for you. Open ChatGPT or Claude. Spend that first 30 minutes asking it to help you with one task from your chosen method. Real results bloom from the quiet consistency you bring to these steps. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this spoke to you, I invite you to begin, right now, gently, and to return next week as we go deeper into the next proven way. You are not alone in this. The freedom you seek is closer than it feels. Until then, take care of yourself and keep that inner fire quietly burning. I'll see you in the next video.